Hello, hello, hello. This is D from the Fishing Gardeners. So we're just gonna come out here and check out the soursop. This is day 2. And we got her in this. Let me go ahead and step back so you can see. Alright. And let's see. She seems to be doing pretty good up there. And you know, going to go ahead and let's see. Let her out tomorrow. And give her some more sunshine. And then, just keep a watchful eye on her. We'll see how she does. Everything else seems to be doing pretty good out here. We still got the star fruit. Still going. Still going, y'all. And the rest of the trees, the majority of my trees are, basically going into hibernation. Stone fruit, I got the peaches and persimmons and the plums. So that's what you see with the rest of them. And as we can see over here, we had the ice cream. Look at how she's getting tricked. Because the weather goes back and forth. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the other mangoes and see how they're faring right now. Okay, and Valencia Pride, she's still doing her thing. So that's what Valencia Pride look like. So far, I have not covered her. I didn't see much need to her. They have Venus over here. I just gave her just a little covering, but she still get that sunlight. We got Kent over here. Still getting that sunlight. I gave Pina Colada. Pina Colada. I just go ahead and put that on over there. Just giving it a little coverage. I'm not going to keep that on because of the weather. I got another ice cream. I call that the baby ice cream. Baby ice cream. Giving a little room in there. And let's break on over here to the pickering. Here's the pickering. Right here. And just put that over her just to give her a little bit of covering. Okay, so if it does get chilly, cold, they will be going inside the screened-in porch with the heating lamps, and they'll be nicely covered. My screened-in porch is actually covered with curtains. So yes, that's what I'll be doing. So just giving you a little look at what's going on. Barbados cherries is still giving us some cherries. This is basically trying to see. Just cherry over here. Let's see if I can get the little one. And yeah. And the Barbados cherry doesn't seem to like when it gets too cold, but it always seems to rebound. I see another little cherry in there, but I'll just leave it in there. So yeah, so just giving you a quick update of what the mangoes are doing. Oh, and this is the jackfruit, the small jackfruit, and you see I got her covered up. So far, she's been doing pretty good so far. So when it gets colder, she'll get covered up more than that, but just giving them a slight covering all the way down. Okay, so just bringing you that little info about how the tropical trees are doing. And hopefully it doesn't get too cold, just chilly enough so that my stone fruit can go ahead and flower, but not too chilly where it'll damage the rest of the fruit. Okay, hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.